Meaning of hearty.
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 Hearty. Hearty is an adjective that describes someone or something as being warm, friendly, and sincere. It can also refer to food that is filling and satisfying, or to actions or expressions that are full of enthusiasm and exuberance. When someone gives a hearty welcome, for example, they are expressing a genuine and enthusiastic greeting. Similarly, a hearty meal is one that is generously portioned and provides plenty of sustenance. Overall, the term hearty connotes warmth, sincerity, and robustness in both people and things.